Today we will be going over the repair and testing of a Chatillon force gauge used to test the tensile strength of non-woven material. Right now, we are not getting any sort of a response from the load cell that is located here, which is the suspected failure. We're going to remove this and do some bench testing. Here we have the load cell and we have our power setup, which is a plus or minus 15 volts. And we are going to apply power to do the bench test. So here we will increase the voltage, and you can immediately see the amperage goes way high. So we are going to go ahead and turn that down. And this has revealed that this load cell is shorted and needs repair. Now we have the newly repaired load cell installed, and we have set up our test for 4 cycles and testing at 25 pounds of force. Each time the force reaches 25 pounds, it should reverse the cycle. We will go ahead and perform our test, and what we are looking for is the machine to apply the force to the non-woven material here 4 times. Here we have a successful test. The unit is ready to be cleaned and shipped to the customer. For more videos, subscribe to our channel.